What is up, guys? Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can post an article on LinkedIn. So first off, head over to Google or any browser, and then in the search bar, type in LinkedIn. After that, click on this first official website of LinkedIn. Now, after clicking, if you are new to LinkedIn, you will see the page to sign up or log in with your email and password. You can just sign up via email, via Microsoft, via Google, via Apple, whatever software you'd like. Simply continue with that, or you can just simply write your email and then you can write your password, and then the LinkedIn will ask you some basic questions. So you can just answer them, and then you will be welcome to the homepage of LinkedIn. So after coming to the homepage on the top, as you can see, the icon of write article, simply click on this icon and then click on get started. So after that, you can just add the title to your article, and then from here you can start writing the body of your article. But if you want to add a cover image, you can click on upload from computer, and then you can upload your cover image from the computer that you have downloaded in the image in. And this is how you can post an article, and then when you are done, click on next. I'll just write some body text and I will click on next. And then when you are done, just simply click on next, and then you will see the option of post. Then article will be posted. So this is how you can post an article on LinkedIn. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.